Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to know what countries that your competitors are targeting on TikTok ads. Guys, this is an amazing tool because it's not only going to reveal to us what countries that they're targeting, but it's also going to let us know what objectives they're using in their campaigns. This is great because it's going to help guide us in terms of, what countries to use for our own businesses, especially if we're in the same industry or if we're in the same niche. So guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to know what countries your competitors are targeting with TikTok ads. This is awesome, especially if you're selling the same product or service as your competitors, right? And this is going to give you almost like a head start and just kind of save you time having to figure out what countries convert better, what countries work, which countries like your product better and stuff like that. This is gonna shorten that learning curve, right? And I'm gonna show you how to do it today. So, guys, all you got to do is type in TikTok Creative Center into Google. Then scroll down and click on this option right here. Then scroll down and find top ads section. Then select view more. And right here, it's basically like the Facebook ad library. You're gonna be shown all of the current ads that are currently being ran on TikTok. All the TikTok ads that across all different industries and niches and all that stuff, right? So as you can see here, there's a whole lot of ads being run. Now, in order to find out that ad that is converting, that's getting sales, all you got to do is go to objective right here and select product sales. And guys, have you noticed it just says United Kingdom right here? So these are the ads that are currently running in the United Kingdom. But these ads aren't only running in the United Kingdom. They're not only running, they're being ran in other countries. And this is the way to find out what other countries they are targeting with their TikTok ads. So these are the TikTok ads that are currently getting sales. They're currently getting sales, especially in the last 7 days. Right now, all you got to do is select one of these ads.
I have downtracked.
Now, once you've selected one of these ads, right here, it's going to show you the region. So this ad in particular is only targeting the United Kingdom. So this is the section you want to watch out for. Now let's look at another ad. If I select this one, so I've selected this ad right here, guys. This is another TikTok ad that I've selected. And guys, same section, region. These are all the countries they are currently targeting with TikTok ads. These are all the objectives that they're running. So you can not only see the countries that they're targeting, you can also see the objectives that they're using. This is key. This is key in order to give you guidance. So if you sell a product that's very similar to this right here, if you sell a product that's very similar to this, you should also be targeting these same countries as well. Because at the end of the day, one thing we have to always remember is that online advertising is a competition. We are auctioning, we are going up against other brands and businesses trying to reach the same audience. And if this audience is getting all the sales, like it's nothing, like it's easy, we need to add some competition into there. And we need to also target these same countries. It literally shows you what countries they're targeting. On Facebook ad library, it doesn't show you what countries they're targeting. In fact, you don't even know who they're targeting. Or you don't even know what objectives they're even running. But here you see more of that. And also another thing is that you can actually use this tool to find out. So if you spot a brand on Facebook that's also advertising, find out if they're also advertising on TikTok. And then you can pretty much work out also what countries they're targeting and also what objectives they're using. And can you see here, guys, look at the caption, 70% off and free shipping. So this ad right here is doing amazingly well for them. So guys, use this tool to give you that insight, because you don't have to always work things out when it comes to online advertising. You can learn and model from people who are already doing better than you, because they're already going to lead the way. So you can come along and basically input this into your own campaigns and see results a lot more quicker. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips to help you guys. All right, guys, take care of yourselves.